Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Moon Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you an updated method of checking the USD value of coins in your MetaMask wallet. This will also work using other wallets such as Trust Wallet. So in the last video, I showed you a method of checking the value of your tokens by using PancakeSwap. Now that method still works, but there's a better way to do this, and that's by using a tool created by Gem Protocol. Gem Protocol is a Binance Smart Chain project that aims to help create dApps which can help crypto users like us. They actually have two different tools at the moment, which are the Portfolio Tracker and the Rug Checker. I'll be going into the Rug Checker in another video, so look out for that video soon. So how the Portfolio Tracker works is that it scans your wallet address via the already publicly accessible data on BSC Scan and gives you a breakdown of your crypto holdings and the current price in BNB and USD. So let's check out how it works. So firstly, come over here and you have two options to show you your data. The first is the Connect Wallet option, and that will prompt you to allow access via your browser wallet such as MetaMask. Alternatively, you can use the Manual Connect option, which then asks you for your wallet address. It will then scan the Binance Smart Chain for your data and then present it to you in an easier way to track all of your coins. So it displays your wallet address here and a chart of your portfolio breakdown. So at the moment, I've only got Starpup in this wallet. On the right, it will give you the USD and BNB overview of your portfolio. You could also change the currency from USD to around 31 other currencies if you like. Down here, you have a list of all of your other assets, the current price, how much of the token you hold, and the USD value of that token in your given currency and in BNB. They also offer premium features for this tool, which include performance tracking and your profit and loss since you last connected the wallet. These features can be unlocked by purchasing Gem Protocol tokens on PancakeSwap or any other BSC dexes. So all the basic features here are free. And as you can see here that this wallet is a free wallet. So if we check the premium info here, so as I said, the Gem Protocol is free for everyone. However, some features are for premium users. The premium features include the extra currencies I spoke about before, performance information, reload wallet function, and up to 4 wallets connected. So you need to have 3,000 Gem tokens in your wallet in order to unlock these other features. At the time of making this video, Gem is sitting around 5 cents per coin, so that would be around $150 for 3,000 tokens. I think it's well worth the money if you have a lot of small market cap coins in your wallet, as it will help you keep track of how all of them are doing. But if you just need to see the value in USD, then the free version is more than enough. So that's how you can see the value of your tokens in your BSC wallet using Gem Protocol. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, then please leave a like on this video and consider subscribing for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.